Awesome. With this setup, I'm going to show how to assemble a total station on top of these sets of legs. Just like how we did in the setup of the auto level, we have the legs set up relatively balanced. We don't know how balanced we are yet. The legs are all stuck into the ground to ensure that we have a nice stable base for the total station, and it's relatively above the hub that we are looking at from here. And this will all be adjusted once we continue on throughout the assembly. One of the big things that we should emphasize is that this should never be touching the ground. This flat surface on top of the sets of legs, this ensures that you keep a level ground on top, or below I should say, below the total station, so that it reduces any other sort of imperfections and keeps it accurately balanced on here. So with this relatively level and stuck to the ground, we'll take this base that is going to go underneath the total station itself. This is already on an auto level, so you do not need it for when you're assembling an auto level. This is only needed when you're going on a total station or prism. And so we do the same thing as we